Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Sitarpidam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now, what are the pranayama techniques which stimulate the vagus nerves? And what is nerve breathing? These are the two questions raised by some students. So, vagus nerve is the 10th cranial nerve. It is connecting heart and digestive system also. So, the activation of the vagus nerves will be very good for health of heart, lungs and digestive system. And also the nerves in the cranial, that is cranial nerves, if they are activated, they are connected to jnanendriyas. This facial expression extra will be controlled and improved by these vagus nerves and cranial nerves. And how to activate it through pranayama. In Tirumandram it is told, ஏற்றி இறக்கி இருகாலும் பூரிக்கும் காற்றை பிடிக்கும் கணக்கறிவாளரில்லை. Even when you inhale and exhale both times, during inhalation and exhalation, that the pranayama will be pleasing. The pranayama should be pleasing during inhalation and exhalation. That is the statement present in the Tirumandram. It should be pleasing while inhalation as well as exhalation. And that statement is there. Kallunna vendam thane kalidarum. If you do pranayama, you will get intoxication just like taking liquors. That much intoxication will be produced during the practice of pranayama. During the practice of pranayama, one will get intoxication. And how it happens? And that is called nerve breathing. And the breathing which that activates the vagus nerves. So, according to these Varma techniques, the Idagala and Pingala, the Idagala starts running from the right big toe and reaches the left eye here in this point, and the end portion of that this nadi will be just like a bud. Always the ending, starting and the ending of a nadi system, and sometimes nerves also just like buds. Likewise, when you this Pingala starts with, from the right big toe and reaches the left right Pingala starts from the left big toe and reaches the right this eye end, and that is also a bud. So when you inhale and exhale, the air you inhale and exhale should have a rapport, that it should activate the buds. That is important. Not just inhaling, exhalation will not activate the nervous system, particularly vagus nerves and cranial nerves. The buds in the end should be activated. For that, the concentration should be given. That is the reason why inhalation is fast. When you inhale fast, concentrate here in this area, then you will feel some energy activating, and the energy induces the nervous system. That is called nerve breathing. Ordinary breathing is inhale, normal course. But during pranayama, always maximum rule is during inhalation you increase speed. So in this area, you should concentrate. In this practice, you should concentrate in that area, that the nadi, buds and even nerve present in that area will be activated, should be activated. That is present in the Tirumandram and Burma literature. And during exhalation also, you slow down and concentrate in this area. Then if you do that continuously, some people ask how many minutes this pranayama should be done. You do it till you get the ecstasy or what we call the intoxication. So there is no fixed time as do it for 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Do any pranayama in such a way that gives you an intoxication. Particularly you should concentrate in this area. So why intoxication comes? These secrets are available not in the ordinary yoga books, in the Varma books of Tamil, and they are actually, I name the Varma literature as a high level yoga. From there it divides into two and goes to the left brain and right brain. And from right brain to left brain they go. So the pranayama, when the activates the buds of the nadis and nerves, they go to head and activates the cranial nerves also. And the pleasing sensation will be produced because the pleasure centers present in the midbrain. According to Varma literature and in Tirumandram also, it is told 1305 pleasure buds are present in the there is a midbrain. And when they are activated, one gets intoxication. So pranayama should activate and vibrate the floating nadi buds. Nerve buds are also there, and in the lymphatic pool present in the midbrain. Then one gets intoxication. So nowadays, these people urge the need for nitric acid level. Nitric acid level in blood will be increased by nerve breathing. Researchers from America, they insist that nitric acid level increases very much important for boosting blood flow for these male sexual problems and all internal organs health. And for age reversal program also nitric oxide is very important. And these are obtained by pranayama. Pranayama, for example, Brahmari pranayama also activate the cranial nerves and vagus nerves. Brahmari pranayama with lip rounding, and sometimes if you apply 50% chin lock, the cranial nerves will be activated. For example, inhale air and exhale. That will activate the facial nerves also. The nerves connecting to cheeks and nerves, nose, ears, eyes, tongue, etc. When you add a lip rounding and you apply 50% chin lock, you can feel all the vibrations in the vagus nerves and the cranial nerves. Likewise, abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing will directly activate the vagus nerves, because when the diaphragm is moving up and down, the vagus nerves will be activated. So abdominal breathing and Brahmari pranayama are very important for the nerve stimulation, and it produces nitric acid also, and through intake of excessive more oxygen, it will be useful for production of nitric acid for keeping the body young and healthy. These practices and more pranayama techniques, just like Vasi yoga techniques, are there for increasing nitric acid level. Those who want to learn, please contact me, the number given, and also subscribe and share. Thank you.